Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your ULEFONE Note 7P, at the first you have to open clock application. Then we have to be in the alarm. We have to click on the left upper corner, and after that we can activate one of this alarm. So for example this one, and if you want to adjust this alarm, you have to enter. We can set the minutes and the hours. We can set the repeat maybe only on the Friday or on the Monday. We can turn on vibration by tapping on the switcher. We can change the alarm sound. And of course, very important, snows. So there's the length of the snow and the label. If you want to set as normal alarm, you can name it wake up. And if you set it up as a reminder, you can set the other name. Then click confirm, and as you can see, here it is, our alarm that we set, that we turn on and customize. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.